In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the Claude AI chat history. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So if you have some chats that you want to delete, or you want to view all of the chats and delete all of them together, here's how you can do it. First of all, I'm just logged into my application on my PC or my laptop. And if you're on some other button like code, co-work or chat, you will switch to chat from here and you will see all of your chats here. So if you want to delete any of them individually, you click on the three dots next to it and you just hit delete. If you have a lot of them, you click on view all and all of the chats will be shown here. So if you have a lot of them, you'll just click on select chats and click on select all, and you just simply delete it from here. And that is how you can bulk delete all of the chats in Claude. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.